Now we are going to see about the livestock prediction using machine learning. Next, we are going to see about the overview of our process. So the main objective of our process is to predict the stock price by using different machine learning algorithms. Accurate prediction of stock market return is a very challenging task due to violate and non-linear nature of financial stock markets. With the introduction of artificial intelligence and increased computational capabilities, programmed methods of prediction have proved to be more efficient in predicting stock prices. Here we are taking the data set is Amazon product data set. So in the data set we have to analyzing the livestock price by using the different machine learning algorithms. So the data set contains the open, high, low and close prices of stock are used for creating new variables which are used as input to the model. The models are evaluated using standard statistic indicators, that is the some error values RMSE and MAPE. The low values of these two indicators shows that the models are efficient in predicting stock closing price. So the system is developed the different machine learning regression algorithms such as Lasso Regression and linear regression. So with the help of this algorithm we have to analyzing the stock price. Then finally the experimental results show that some error values must be low. So this is the overview of our process. This is the flow of our process. First we have to take the data set, that is the data set is stock price data set. Here we are taken the data set is Amazon stock price data set, which is collected from some data set repository like UCI, GitHub and Kaggle and so on. So after that we have to read your input data set. So with the help of pandas package, after reading your input data set we have to implement the pre-processing step. In this step we have to check missing values because our data set contains rows and columns. So any rows have any number of missing values means we have to replace that missing values, otherwise we have to ignore that. Why we are implementing handling missing values means for avoiding wrong prediction. After that we have to drop unwanted columns. If any unnecessary columns are present in our data set means it is not required for our process, means we have to drop or remove the that unwanted or unnecessary columns in priorly. After that the data will be carried out to data splitting model. So in this module we have to split your whole data set into test and train. We are splitting our data set based on some ratio, for example 80:20 or else 70:30. So based on ratio we are splitting our data set. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Most of the data are present in train and smaller portion of the data are present in test. After that the split data will be carried out to classification module. So in this module we are implemented different machine learning regression algorithms such as linear regression and lasso regression. After that we have to prediction. So prediction means here we are predict the stock price based on your input data set. After that we have to estimate some performance metrics like error values, that is the MSE, RMSE, mean square error and root mean square error. Then finally we have to visualize your prediction in the form of graph. So this is the flow of our process. Now we are going to see about the result, that is the demo part, our output. So this is the output for stock price prediction using machine learning. We are running our process in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is the data selection. So here we are displayed some sample of data from your data set. After that, the data pre-processing. So here we are checking missing values for our data set. So these are the column names which is present in our data set. The 0 indicates there is a no missing values in corresponding columns. The next module, data splitting. So here we are splitting your data set into test and train. So we are discussed in flow diagram, right? So this is the total number of data. So this is after splitting your data. So this is the total number of training data, and this is the total number of testing data. After that, we are implemented different classification algorithms. So here we are implemented linear regression and lasso regression. So every algorithms, in every algorithm we are estimate some performance metrics like some error values. So here we are estimated mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error. So the error values must be low. So if the error values must be if the error values is low, means the model is efficient. So this is the prediction graph for linear regression. Similarly, we are implemented the another classification algorithm is lasso regression. So under this algorithm, we are also estimated the same performance metrics before which we are discussed, like mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error. So this is the prediction graph for lasso regression. So this is the output for livestock price prediction using machine learning. So thank you.